Hello friends, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today we learn open chain stitch. This stitch is also called as ladder stitch or square chain stitch or Roman chain stitch. We'll put this stitch in two parallel lines. You can draw parallel lines like this and start at one point on your left side line and then straight to that stitch you can insert the needle in the other line and bring it out a little above the starting point diagonally behind, thread below the needle and pull over. We have finished the first stitch. Straight to this stitch you insert the needle in the other line and bring it out in the first line little above the previous stitch, thread below the needle and pull over. We have finished the second stitch. Once again straight to this point you insert the needle on the other line and bring it out in the first line a little above the previous point, thread below the needle, pull over. We have finished the third stitch. Once again straight to this point, insert the needle on the other line, bring it out a little above the previous point, thread below the needle and pull over. Now we have finished the fourth stitch. Once again straight to the previous point on the other line, insert the needle and bring it out a little above the previous point, thread below the needle and pull over. How to finish the stitch. In the first line you should insert the needle outside the stitch like this and pull over the thread and straight to that in the other line insert the needle, bring the thread inside the needle like this, pass the needle like this and make a lock by inserting the needle outside the stitch and you can finish it like this. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts please comment, and this is the back view of the stitch, just diagonal stitches. You can use this stitch in combination with other stitches for border lines and in patterns. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links given in the description box. To learn more stitches, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching.